Here we have a nice 2D geometry question about midpoints and so on. This is a question from the entrance exam for engineers, mathematicians and physicists entry into Belgian Flemish universities, and this one got a score of correctly answered by 46% of applicants. So if you want to try this out by yourself, you can pause the video, read the question and have a go at it. So the question is: an n squared with Cartesian coordinates xy, consider the curve y equals to 4x to the third minus x squared minus 3x plus 1. The tangents to this curve at point A and B are perpendicular to the line y is x. Determine the x coordinate of the midpoint of segment AB. So perpendicular to y is x, that means that the slope will be minus 1, and so it means that the derivative for point A must be the same as the derivative for point B, and that will be equal to this slope minus 1. So we'll need the derivative, so where 4x to the third gives you 12x squared, minus x squared gives you minus 2x, minus 3x gives you minus 3, and plus 1 is 0, of course, and that has to be equal to minus 1, or 12x squared minus 2x minus 2 is 0. You can divide by 2 everywhere, so you end up with 6x squared minus x minus 1 is 0. So we'll use the trusty quadratic equation for that, and if you fill it all nicely in, you'll end up that x can be either 1/2 or minus 1/3. So the midpoint between those x values is just the average of the two, so sum them up and divide by 2, so 1/2 minus 1/3 over 2 gives you a 3/6 minus 2/6 all over 2, which is 1/6 times 1/2, or 1/12, and 1/12 is answer B.